Parents worry AI will make teens passive. The antidote is not avoidance. It is guiding teens into a build loop where thinking flows into real creation. AI becomes dangerous when it ends the thinking process. It becomes powerful when it becomes part of a flow. Think, build, share, improve, and lead. There is a moment parents need to notice. It happens after AI gives the answer, not before. After. Your teenager asks for help. The machine responds. A paragraph appears, a solution, a summary, a plan, a piece of code, a design idea, something that looks finished. And in that moment, a quiet choice appears. Does the thinking stop, or does the building begin? That choice may define your teenager's future, because AI can make work look complete before learning is complete. It can make a teenager feel done before they have become stronger. It can make output appear without ownership. And if parents only ask, "Did AI write this?" they may miss the deeper question. What happened next? That is the question. After the answer appeared, what did your teen do with it? Did they copy it or question it? Did they accept it or improve it? Did they submit it or build from it? Did AI become the ending or the beginning? For many teenagers, school has trained learning as a line. Receive instruction, complete task, submit work, get mark, move on. But the AI age requires a loop. Think, build, share, improve, level up. The line ends at completion. The loop creates growth. And this distinction matters more than ever. Because when AI enters the learning process, completion becomes easy. Growth still has to be designed. A teenager can ask AI to write a business idea, but have they tested whether anyone needs it? They can ask AI to generate an app concept. But have they built even the simplest version? They can ask AI to explain a topic, but can they teach it to someone else? They can ask AI to create a project plan, but can they execute the first step? Execution is the new separator, not because ideas do not matter. Ideas matter deeply. But in a world where ideas can be generated in seconds, visible output becomes proof. Proof of judgment, proof of persistence, proof of clarity, proof that the teenager can move from thought into reality. This is the builder's flow, and it is one of the most important shifts parents can encourage. Think of the difference between two teens. Both use AI to learn about climate solutions. The first teen asks for a summary, reads it, maybe uses it for an assignment. The work is done. The second teen asks for a summary too, but then they ask, what is one small problem in my school related to this? What could students actually change? What data would I need? What is the smallest project I could build in 1 week? What would make this useful to other people? Now the learning flows into output. Maybe the teen builds a simple energy awareness campaign. Maybe a dashboard, maybe a short video, maybe a survey, maybe a proposal, maybe a prototype. It does not need to be perfect. It needs to be real, because real output teaches what passive learning cannot. When teens build, they meet reality. They discover gaps. The first version is unclear. The user does not understand. The code breaks. The message is too vague. The design is too complicated. The plan was too ambitious. This is not failure. This is feedback. And feedback is where the mind grows. AI can make the feedback loop faster. It can help revise, suggest alternatives, generate examples, find flaws, create checklists, simulate users, explain errors. But the teenager must remain the builder, the one who decides, the one who tests, the one who improves, the one who owns the result. That is the difference between AI as a shortcut and AI as amplification. Parents sometimes fear that AI will make teenagers lazy. It can. If the household culture treats completion as the goal, if the teen's only aim is to get through the task, then AI becomes a way around growth. But if the goal is output that creates value, AI becomes something else. A workbench, a studio, a lab, a mentor, a launchpad. This is why super learning speaks about super output. Not just learning, visible proof, a project, a prototype, a tool, a presentation, a piece of media, a solution. Something that shows the teen has moved from consuming intelligence to directing it. The question is not, did you learn about AI? The question is, what did you build with intelligence? That shift changes identity. A teenager who only studies may still wonder, am I smart? A teenager who builds begins to ask, "What can I make better?" That is a healthier question. It moves them out of comparison. It moves them into contribution. There is a quiet hope here for many parents, because the old school system did not see every kind of talent. Some teenagers are not great at memorization, but they are brilliant at noticing problems. Some dislike worksheets, but they come alive when building something useful. Some seem average in exams, but they can become extraordinary when they are asked to create, test, and improve. AI can widen the doorway. It can help a teenager who once felt blocked by technical limits. A teen with an idea can prototype faster. A teen who struggles to write can clarify their thinking. A teen who feels shy can rehearse communication. A teen who does not know where to start can ask for first steps. But the doorway only matters if they walk through it, and walking through means building. Parents can help by changing the question at home. Instead of asking only, "What did you finish?" ask, "What did you make?" Instead of, "What grade did you get?" ask, "What did you improve?" Instead of, "Did AI help?" ask, "What did you do after AI helped?" Instead of, "Was it correct?" ask, "Was it useful?" These questions train a builder's mind. They teach your teenager that intelligence is not something to consume. It is something to use in service of creation. There is a pattern every teen should learn. First, think. What is the problem? Who is it for? Why does it matter? What do I understand? What am I assuming? Then build. Create the smallest useful version. Not the perfect version, the first real version. Then share. Let someone see it. Let the world respond. Let feedback enter. Then improve. Not from shame, from information. Then mentor. Teach someone else what you learned. Because teaching turns experience into deeper understanding. Then level up. A stronger project, a clearer question, a better system, a more mature use of AI. This loop compounds. A teen who repeats it becomes different. They become less fragile, less dependent on instructions, less afraid of imperfection, more capable of turning ideas into reality. And in the AI age, that is gold, because many young people will know how to prompt. Fewer will know how to execute. Many will generate ideas. Fewer will test them. Many will create content. Fewer will create value. Many will use AI. Fewer will lead with it. Leadership begins when a teenager takes responsibility for an outcome, not a title, not a speech, an outcome. I noticed a problem. I tried to understand it. I built something. I shared it. I improved it. I helped someone else. That is leadership in seed form, and it can begin much earlier than most parents think. Your teenager does not need to wait until university. They do not need permission from the future. They can begin with one small build, a study tool, a school club workflow, a short explainer video, a simple website, a guide for younger students, a community project, a prototype for a problem they personally care about. Small builds matter because small builds create evidence. Evidence that the teen can start, evidence that they can improve, evidence that their ideas can become real. Evidence that AI can amplify their mind without replacing it. There is one danger to watch carefully. AI can create the illusion of building. A teen can generate a logo and feel like they built a brand. Generate code and feel like they built a product. Generate a plan and feel like they built a company. Generate a script and feel like they created a message. But real building touches the world. Someone uses it, reads it, tests it, responds to it, learns from it, challenges it. So parents should ask, who is this for? Has anyone tried it? What feedback did you get? What changed between version 1 and version 2? What did reality teach you? These questions bring the teen back from appearance to substance, from polish to proof, from generated output to human value. That is the super learning standard. Not more noise, more meaningful output. If you are a parent listening to this, you do not need to become your child's project manager. You do not need to control every tool. You do not need to understand every platform. But you can protect the loop. You can make sure AI does not become the end of thinking. You can guide it back into building. You can celebrate revision. You can honor first drafts. You can ask about feedback. You can praise useful courage more than polished appearance. And when your teen says, I already gave me the answer, you can gently ask, what can you build from it? that question may change everything. Because it turns the answer into raw material. It turns the teen into the creator. It turns AI from a machine of completion into a partner in construction. The future will not belong to the teenager who merely receives the fastest output. It will belong to the teenager who can turn intelligence into value. The one who thinks, builds, shares, improves, mentors, levels up. The one who sees the phone not only as a screen, but as a studio, a laboratory, a launchpad, a place where human intelligence and AI can become something stronger together. Because the real goal is not for your child to keep up with machines. The real goal is for your child to become the kind of human who can guide them. This is Ariana Minsky, and this is Super Learning.